Back in 13.4, we're still working on fixed rate mortgages. We're going to practice using that R formula again. We're going to stick with the same purchase price home at the same interest rate, but we're going to change 30 years to 15. So R equals 155,000 times 0.042 over 12. That's over 1 minus 12 divided by 12.042. And this is now raised to the 12t, which is 12 times 15, 180. Again, put this numerator and denominator in individual parentheses to help you with your calculator. So let's try one more time. So parentheses 155,000, then I'm going to close that fraction in parentheses. So I do 0.042 divided by 12. I'm going to close that in parentheses, close the numerator. I'm going to, whoops. So that's the top. So you could do it just that way and write that number down. I'm going to divide that answer by 1 minus parentheses 12 divided by 12.042. That is raised, so I'm going to hit the caret key on my calculator, and I'm going to raise that to the 180. For my calculator, I have to arrow back out to close those. So here is my payment, my monthly payment, if I switched my loan to be over 15 years rather than 30. So now same question again, how much would be going towards interest? You'll do the same thing. You'll take your monthly payment times how many total times you pay it. So this time that's 180, and you get 209,179.80 cents. You subtract what you borrow, and the remaining value is the interest. So your interest is $54,179.80. Now it asks you how much interest is saved switching from a 30-year loan to a 15-year loan. So the interest we found for the 30-year loan was $117,872.80. We are going to subtract the interest we would pay if we had the 15-year loan, and we find that we save $63,693. So quite a bit is saved if you're able to switch to a 15-year loan over a 30-year loan. You could also, 15 and 30 are the standards. You could do a 20-year loan, right? You don't have to stick with 15 and 30. So in addition to principal and interest on a mortgage, homeowners must also pay insurance. You have to have your home insured. And taxes. You have to pay property taxes. Often these items are paid out of an escrow account. So you could save them on your own and put them in your own savings account and then pay them each year. Or you can put it as part of your regular monthly payment to the bank, and they'll take care of it for you. So we're going to look at the idea of what a payment would be if you paid the bank these additional charges and let them take care of it for you. Right? So we want to find the total monthly payment including taxes and insurance. So we figured that this right here, we figured that the R was $757.98. Now to get a total payment, we need to come up with the taxes that we add on and the insurance. Well, remember, this is what we pay per month, and this is a quoted annual amount. So both of these right here need to be divided by 12. Because we want to know what they would be monthly. So we're going to take $757.98 plus, if you divide this by 12, you get $258.33 plus 100. So you add that together and you get $1,116.31 would be the total amount you pay every month, including taxes and insurance. Problem 9 is the same, just over the 15 years instead of the 30. So this is remember we got 1,162.11, plus these are still what they were, 258.33 plus 100 because they didn't change. And we get $1,520.44 is what you'd pay monthly to own that home and cover your taxes and insurance.